Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how do we add integers. This can be learned with the help of three keys. In the first case, we will learn how do we add positive integers. When both the numbers are positive integers, we will just perform normal addition. Let us consider example. Suppose we have to add 2 and 3. You can clearly see 2 and 3 both are positive integers because they do not have the negative sign. So addition will be normal addition, that will be 5. Let us consider one more example. Suppose we have to add 10 plus 11. 10 and 11 both are positive integers because again these do not have any negative sign. So the operation will be normal addition, that is 21. Let us understand case 2 now. In case 2, we will learn how to add negative integers. So the rule is addition but negative sign. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose we have to add minus 2 and minus 3. Both the integers here are negative. So according to the rule, we will perform addition, but this time we have to put a negative sign. So 2 will be added to 3, that is 5, and the answer will be negative. Let us take one more example. Minus 11 plus minus 21. Here again we can see both the integers are negative. So we will just add the numeral part, that is 21 plus 11, which is 32. And this time we will put negative sign. So negative 32 is the answer. Now let us understand the third case. In the third case, one given number will be positive integer and second number would be negative integer. So the rule is big numeral minus small numeral and sign of big numeral. So let us understand what is this. Suppose we have been given two numbers such as minus 7 and 5. Here minus 7 is a negative integer, 5 is a positive integer. So according to the rule, when we have to add these two numbers, the rule is big numeral minus small numeral. Children, please note here that 7 is the numeral part, minus 7 is the integer. So here we are just focusing on the 7 numeral and the 5 numeral. That is, the numeral part is without any sign. So it will be big numeral minus small numeral and the sign of big numeral. So here we know that 7 is a bigger numeral. So we will take up the sign and this becomes minus. Now you can calculate 7 minus 5 is 2. So it becomes minus 2. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have to add 7 and minus 5. Here again you can see 7 is a positive integer, minus 5 is a negative integer. If we have to add these two numbers, we will perform big numeral, that is again 7, minus small numeral, that is 5, and sign of big numeral. So sign of 7 here is positive. So the final answer will be positive. So the answer is plus 2 in this case. Now let us go through the examples again and do a quick recap. So this is a question where we have to add 3 and 5. We know 3 and 5 are positive integers, so we will apply rule number 1, which is normal addition. So the answer will be 8. In the second case, we have to add minus 3 and minus 5. Both minus 3 and minus 5 are negative integers. So according to rule number 2, we will add 3 and 5, that is addition, but negative sign as both the numbers are negative. Now, here we can see in example 3, 3 is a positive integer, minus 5 is a negative integer. So we will apply rule number 3. According to the rule number 3, it is big numeral minus small numeral and sign of big numeral. So this will give us the answer as minus 2. Now, again, this is rule number 3, where one positive integer is getting added to a negative integer. So apply the rule, big numeral minus small numeral. We are just focusing on the number part, not the sign part. Remember this, children. And sign of big numeral. Sign of big numeral here was positive. So the answer of this is 2.